What is going on, you beautiful bunch of people? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, it's another exciting video. I mean, we've made progress on the van, what can I say? And I'm excited to share it with you. If you've got no idea what I'm talking about, do not worry. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. Go and check it out so you're up to speed and you know exactly what is going on in this video and why I'm so excited. The progress that has been made so far, in my opinion, is unbelievable. You know that saying, it's going to get worse before it gets better. Well, that's kind of the stage that we're going through with the van at the moment. It got worse and worse, and now it's starting to get better. So I'm a lot happier. Now I've got footage to go through with yous. I've got photographs to show yous. I've tried to document as much of this process as possible. I think it's really important, not only for myself, but for content for you guys, and also for the van's sake, just so you know I can look back on it and see how far it came, and it's documented, it's there now. This is the work that has been carried out on this vehicle, and you know what, I'm so happy that it's getting done, because it needed this little bit TLC. I'm so excited to go through the footage with you lot. I'm going to briefly talk over some bits and let you know what's went on. Before I do that though, I just want to mention as well, we are so close to 2,000 subscribers. If we could get to that by the end of the year, that would be an absolutely amazing Christmas present. Enough of me rambling on. Let's jump into this video and see exactly what changes have been made to my rusty transit van. What are you thinking so far then? It's looking good, it's looking good. Now I've got a few more clips that I wanted to just go through and talk over basically, so we're going to do that now. I'm going to show you a bit of like a walk around of the van as it's stood at the moment and explain a little bit about, you know, what exactly is going on. But I feel like you probably not even notice when it comes to the like reveal video as such, and I'm doing a big walk around, you'll not even notice. It'll be that good, you won't know it's been done. So just walking down towards the side door here is where I started off. You can see that already we've got a little bit of like scab repair, so it was starting to rust there, and the fact that we were doing this whole sill pretty much, it made sense that all the little bits got done as well, not just the rotten bits where there was holes. So this is what you see here. I'm taking back the bare metal, repaired, coming along the sill even further. For some reason, I don't know why, but the all go here, pretty much every transit that I've seen, this is where it deteriorates from first. Just so you know, this is just the video footage that I got whilst I was there. I'm by no means saying that this is finished or this is the prep work finished or anything like that. This is, I just turned up, I filmed what I could. I don't want to be lingering about whilst people's working on the van, do you know what I mean? That's their job to work on the van and do it as best as they can, and if I'm there standing over them, watching, maybe even filming, I think it's a bit invasive, me personally, so I don't like doing that. I'd much rather just take the footage that I can and then talk over it and let them make sure that they're doing the best job possible on my van. Going to the arches, as you can see there, we've had two new rear arches put on. This is both sides, so we're looking at the passenger side at the moment. There's been a little bit of plate put in there because, again, where that hole is in the door sill, it kind of spreads up over towards the arches. The arches were absolutely rotten, so little repairs being made there. Arches have been put in, prep works began coming across to the rear of the van now. Behind the light there was a little bit of rust coming through from inside, so that has been repaired, and also the rear bumper had a lot of repair work done into it. I guess it's just off the road. When all the crap comes up off the road, the mud flaps and stuff like that on these vans do not work at all, and it just basically gets blitzed against the back bumper underneath, and that's why it deteriorates, I guess, so quick. So as you can see here, there's been some metal work done, some welding, quite a lot of welding, just to make sure that it's as strong as possible. So we're going around the back doors to the other side. Now this is where it gets interesting. Now I don't know the whole story behind what has happened. So what looks like's being done is they've actually just taken part of whatever they needed from an older van or a different van, which just so happened to be blue, and they've replaced it, which is why all of this section here was pretty much rotten, rusty. It all needed to come out. Took it all out, all the rotten bits, basically plated it all up, welded it all up, made sure it's solid, and then went down, put the new rear arch on as well. As you come down again, this sill here has all been done, so it's had 2 outer sills on and 2 inner sill repairs on it. There's another scabby bit here on the front driver side door, which was pretty bad, which I wanted doing whilst everything else was getting done. As you might know, I've got this big dent in my bonnet, which I've had for a little while now. Through no fault of my own, I ended up with this dent in my bonnet, so I wanted that done because it just looks horrible. There was 2 little scabs on the very right hand side and 2 little scabs on the passenger side. Now, as far as I can remember, that is the list of things that's been done to the outside of the van. So the next thing that'll be happening is it will be getting painted. All the kit and everything will be going back on, so it looks brand spanking new. And then I believe we're going to be doing some underside restoration, which is going to involve getting rid of a lot of surface rust. So that will be in the next video. That is what is happening next. This is kind of the final stages that will be coming together now. So we're probably going to have 2 more videos on this. We're going to have the paint and the under seal possibly in the same video, and then we're going to have a walk around reveal where I show you exactly what it looks like now that it's $1 million, and it literally will be looking brand new. I really hope you guys are enjoying seeing the progress that's been made on the van. Thank you very much for watching once again. Have a fantastic day, enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's looking good, it's looking good. I'm happy it's getting done. Might just be a van to some people, but it's my van.